Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do beginner method example solves. But before we start, you may get an impossible case like this. Like you only have one edge flipped, one edge on the top and then rest of them are just like flipped. You cannot have three edges. You cannot just have three edges flipped. So what you should do is very simple. Turn a layer or turn the top layer 45 degrees. Pull the corners apart. Stick your index finger and thumb, twist it 45 degrees and then pull it out. You may break the cube, but it's not breaking. But if you think that you're using too much force, just remove the center cap, just like this, and then just loosen the screws like that. It'll be easier to remove. After that, you just remove everything just like this. After removing, see this corner. Where is its original spot? Which is right here. So like that only you need to keep on putting the pieces in and then just like that you'll solve it. So this piece will go here just like this. This piece will go here just like this. And then this yellow and blue piece will go here. This one will go here. This corner will come here. I would suggest put all of the corners, first put all of the edges, and then when you're left with these two, just stick it in just like this. Be careful, it may break the corner stock. And then for the last one, turn this 45 degrees and then just press it in. Oh, something wrong. Just remove it just like this, and then if you need to swap it, just swap it out. There you go. Now your cube can be solvable. So now let's get on to the example solves. So right over here will be the scramble. So just copy it. And also just make sure the cube is solved and hold the green center facing you and then the white center on top. Like this, you should shuffle it. So let's start. I'll do the scramble. Okay, so this is the scramble. So now let's get on with the example solve. So we have these two, like these two over here, and then we'll get these two on top just like this, inserting red, then orange. Now we have green center, green edge right over here. I'll get this on top, and then we have this blue piece which can directly go up. Now let's start with the blue piece. It's matching F2. Next piece, this is orange, matching F2. Blue, green, not matching, F2. Now this, not matching, F2. So we done the cross. We have finished the cross. Now this one. Now we'll white, red and blue, white, red and blue. So this is right on top, and then now we'll do the right-handed version. Now this one. Green, white and red, green, white and red, right here. So I have a tip for you. So let's suppose you're gonna do the right-handed version, but as you can see, the white is facing you. So if we'll keep it like this, it'll take a lot of time to do it. So instead, just rotate the cube and then do it the left-handed version. Now I'll just take once. L prime, U prime, L, U. See? Now if it's on top, just keep it where it needs to go and then just do it left-handed or right-handed. Doesn't matter. I'll do right-handed. Now this one, there's only one spot where it needs to go, so I'll keep it on top. Same thing, it's facing us, so we'll keep it on the left and then do left-handed. L prime, U prime, L, U. Okay. So we'll pick the red and green edge. So this is not matching, matching. So this one needs to go over here. So we'll push it onto the opposite side because it wants to come to the right. Do the right-handed version. R, U, R prime, U prime, cube rotate and then insert it. L prime, U prime, L, U. So this one, okay, let's take this one. Blue and orange, not matching. So this one wants to come here. So this one needs to come to the left. So we'll push it to the right. L prime U prime L U, cube rotate R U R prime U prime. So this one needs to go on to the right. So we'll push it to the left. R U R prime U prime L prime U prime L U. So this one will match like this. Needs to go to the left. Push it to the opposite side. L prime U prime L U, cube rotate R U R prime U prime. So we have finished the first two layers. Now we have the line F R U R prime U prime F. So now we have the cross. So now it looks like we have skipped the edges. That's super lucky. So now this one is solved. This blue, yellow and red. So there's one simple problem which I didn't mention it in my cube, how to solve the Rubik's Cube, and it's that sometimes you may just find two of them which are solved. Just ignore it and then pick one of them, but make sure that one of them is on the right and one of them is here, or if it's on the back, make sure it's on the back, or if it's right here, then just make sure it's on the back. So just like this. So this one needs to be over here. So if these two are solved, we'll just keep these two like this. So now we'll do these two, but instead you just need to rotate. So one of them is at the back and one of them is in the front. But if it's like this and these two are wrong, so keep one of them at the back and one of them at the front. So now we'll do the algorithm. Okay, so this one is solved, not solved. So we'll just do it again. Okay, so now we just got these two solved. I mean these two which we need to flip. Now we'll do x2 or z2, it doesn't matter. Now I'll do this one. R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime. Now we'll bring in this one. Now R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime. And there you go, it's solved. Next solve. Today I'm just going to be doing two example solves. So the next one which you're going to learn is real CFOP. You probably haven't seen it, so I'll just show you now how is real CFOP. So this is how real CFOP is. We'll scramble the Rubik's Cube, and then as you can see, we'll indirectly solve the cross. Like this one, this one, this one, this one. We'll solve it like this. As you can see, the cross is solved. Now instead of doing corner and then edge, we'll do both of them at the same time. Like these two, I know this is a common pattern which I've recognized, and then I can do it just like this. See? Now I have these two which I can do it just like this. Now I have these two, the same pattern. There you go. Now for the top, instead of doing the cross and then everything in between, we'll just do one algorithm to solve the top, and then afterwards we'll just solve the cube. That's real CFOP, and then we can do it actually very fast. So on to the example solves. So from the place where I will get my scrambles is from cstimer.net. You can just go there and then you will find the scrambles. So this is the next scramble. Don't worry, I'll just add it onto the top. Okay, so this is the next scramble. So U, B prime, R prime, D, R prime, L prime, F, B2, U, F2, L2, D, R2, D prime, L2, D, F2, D2, R2. I hope it's right. So now we have this one and this one. So we can put the green one right there. So red wants to come here. This is getting kicked out. We can spot, and then there you go. Blue until it's matching. F2. This green one now matching. F2. This orange one is already matching. Then red. We'll move it right here. Then F2. Now we have these two. This one. Now we'll move it down here by doing right-handed version 3 times. This one will go here by doing right-handed version 3 times, and it looks like we have solved the edge. That's great. Now we have this one, which will go into here once. This one will go into here, will also be once. So this one wants to go here, right, push, right-handed version, left-handed version. So we'll pick this one. This one needs to go into the left. push to the right, left-handed version, right-handed version. Now this one will go into here, push to the opposite side, it needs to go to the right, push, and then R prime U prime, and then left-handed version. Now we have the L shape, F R U R prime U prime, line F R U R prime U prime. So now we will keep on doing. Now we got all of them solved. What a miracle. Okay, not solved. Okay, this one is solved. This one is not, this one is not. So we'll do this algorithm. Not solved. Solved. Okay, so we can just do it just like this. There you go. You have solved a cube. So this is the end of the video. I know I'm doing it very fast because this is not the method which you should use to become fast. But if you're just like want to learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube and just show it to your friends, but just knowing how to solve the Rubik's Cube is not done. You need to learn how to be faster so people can get more impressed. So like I can solve it under 20, or maybe I may take 23 to 25 seconds. But if you practice more, you can solve it under like 6 seconds if you know a lot of advanced algorithms. So bye guys, this is the end of the video. I'll meet you in my next video in which I'll teach you like OLL, PLL and all of those complicated stuff. Bye.